Let's start today's drawing. For that I'm going to draw plus sign on the little bit left side, and this is going to be the head. So as much as big head you want, you can draw the plus sign and then try to make a circle on the top. Now from here to here I will do arch, and for this line I will pick 2 points over here and I will draw arch this way. Now this is the area, so I can pull this one little bit out and I can curve it over here. Now from here I can draw big or small eyes, is totally up to you. So this much height I picked, so same height I will draw here, more circle. Now here I can draw one nose or in the middle, that's totally fine, wherever you like. And from here I will draw from here to here this eye, a big smiley face over here, and a little bit in. I will go here and I will try to draw mouth all the way down. So this one is kind of like a straight, so I'm today going to draw them little bit tilted this direction, and same thing over here. I will try to draw this one little bit, both of them going this direction. Now inside the way you want, you can draw if you want like this way, so this is also going to be this way, and if I want one side reflection here, so this reflection will be here and this will be shaded area. This is going to be the tongue. If you want heart shape, you can do heart shape style this way. Now I'm going to do triangular shape eyebrow. So this is my guideline over here, and this is also my guideline. So I will start from here. At the same time I have to start from here. So let me pull this line here, so this way we can compare. So I can start from here and I will not go all the way up here, so it's kind of like a down here, and I want a little bit more small body, so let me do this much. If I will do more small, what will happen? I want to experiment today and let's see what will help. Small body or big body, I don't know. So I will start from here and I will go all the way here. Still it looks really going up, so I will make it flat a little bit over here. I will start from here and I will connect this one here somewhere. From here I will do alphabet V upside down. I will pick 1 point from here and very skinny next to this one, and this way I will do, and this thing is coming, this leg is coming here, so I will just leave it like that. Now I will start from here and this one will also go alphabet V, but this line is going to be bigger, so a little bit thicker here and then thinner here, and this will go like a alphabet U sideways. This one I'm bringing over here, I can do alphabet U here, skinnier. Now I'm going to do the other one from here, curvy line going this side, and this is the line we have to make sure all the legs are here, especially the front ones. So I will go this way and this one, so here, and alphabet U this way. one I will start from here, skinny, and then alphabet U like this. The back one exactly same thing but little bit smaller. For this one, from the back we can do just one line here. For this one we already did, so this one looks little bit long to me, so let me make it. So if this is coming, let me put this one little bit in, so it's coming here. I will draw here, here, and then it will be here. So I am measuring this length to this one. So this is the back one, so I will erase. We cannot see here. This is the front one, so everything from inside I will erase. This is also front, so I will erase everything from here. This is also front, so I will erase everything from inside. I feel like I have to do a little bit more longer here. Maybe I don't want to curve this side. This looks a little bit odd. Let me erase all the extra lines. And this one I will start here, double line this way, and this one will go outside. So this one, this is my line, and it's coming a little bit from inside.